Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a freshly harvested soybean field in western Kentucky where a Challenger MT775E Tractor and Sunflower 9830NT single disc air drill are no-till seeding cereal rye. The rye will serve as a cover crop on the field over the winter, helping to prevent erosion of the soil and adding organic matter back into the ground. The MT775E tractor working in this video was manufactured by AGCO at its Jackson, Minnesota tractor plant from 2014 through 2017. It's powered by an AGCO Power 9.8 liter inline 7-cylinder 598 cubic inch engine rated at 400 horsepower. The Sunflower 9830NT is a high-speed, compact, narrow transport air drill. It has a 175 bushel hopper capacity, with the front hopper holding 105 bushels of seed and the rear hopper holding 70 bushels. This machine has a 30-foot working width and folds up to a narrow 11.5 feet for transport down the road. AGCO recommends a minimum horsepower requirement for this drill of 255 to 325 horsepower. The drill is manufactured in Wahpeton, North Dakota. Now that you know a little bit about the machinery, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this AGCO seeding team in action. 9830 is a very compact seeder. It has a narrow transport down the road and covers 30 feet out here in the field. I'm up in the cab of the Challenger MT775E tractor. Here we can see the operator's perspective of running the Sunflower 9830NT at about 8 miles per hour across the field, seeding the cover crop. Hop out of the cab here and sweep the step on the tractor. It's hydraulic. And then when it goes back to the field, the step goes right back up on the Challenger 775E. Take a look at how the Sunflower 9830NT works. It's a single disc drill. We can see here these discs cut into the ground. Seed is delivered from the 175 bushel tank, and the disc cut into the ground. The seed is spit out into that trench, and then we can see the rubber packer wheels close up that hole cut in by the discs. No tilling into the ground, and we can see there's very minimal disturbance to the field. And now the cereal rye is down under the ground and ready to do its job over the winter to hold the soil. Here we can see the fully matured rye crop in the spring. It's done its job preventing erosion over the winter months, and now the farm is utilizing their 250 PTO horsepower Challenger MT665D tractor and an I&J crop roller. The I&J crimps down the standing rye to return it as organic matter into the soil. It also helps create an erosion mat across the field to help prevent soil from eroding as a newly seeded corn crop goes into the ground. It also helps prevent the growth of weeds that will compete with the new corn crop. hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this AGCO seeding team. Does your farming operation seed small grains? I'd like to hear about what type of tractor and drill your operation is using in the comment section below this video. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.